Hi, I'm Simply Jelly Jam, and I have a DIY paper gift bag project to share with you. I'm narrating because I wasn't sure how to share the steps in text very clearly, so hopefully my narration proves to be helpful and not a nuisance. I took a 12-inch by 12-inch sheet of pattern paper and cut it in half. This allowed me to make 2 small paper gift bags. For the first bag, I folded the sheet leaving about 3/4 of an inch exposed and uncovered on one end. I used a tool to create a sharp, crisp fold, but it's not necessary to do so. I took the exposed end and folded it over the edge of the opposite end of the sheet. This created a 3/4 of an inch flap where I adhered both ends together. You could use glue to adhere the ends together, but I opted for permanent double-sided tape because I couldn't find my glue stick. I rotated the sheet to have an open end, or really the end that would serve as the bottom of the gift bag, facing me. I folded that end about an inch away from me. I grabbed one corner of the flap and folded it towards the edge closest to me. This created a small triangular flap. I then did the same for the other corner. I unfolded that bottom area and pressed the ends on the left and right in towards the center. I took the bottom flap and folded it slightly above the horizontal center line. I then did the same for the top flap. So, I went a little overboard with the tape here, but all you really need to do is adhere the top flap onto the bottom flap, or vice versa. This is what creates the bottom or the base of the paper gift bag. I folded the ends or sides of the gift bag about 3/4 of an inch towards the center of the bag. I unfolded the areas that I could unfold, slid my hand inside of the gift bag, and then shaped it into the traditional paper bag form that many of us are familiar with. With thicker cardstock paper, like this hot buy paper from Michaels, it gets a little trickier to get clean, crisp folds, but it's definitely doable. I went ahead and punched holes towards the top of the paper gift bag for handles. I cut 2 small pieces of ribbon to serve as the handles. I slid one end of the ribbon through one hole and then tied a knot on the inside of the gift bag so that it wouldn't slide out while handling. I did this for each hole and each end of the ribbons. Before I knotted the last end of the last ribbon, I slid on a polymer clay gift tag to identify who the bag was for. And that's that. This was the top-down view that I narrated, but here's another angle without narration in case this proves to be more helpful. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks and have a great day!